y'all, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustler TV. Today we are back with another slave from our 30-day series, and we are getting so close. Well, basically we at the end. We just maybe have like 2 more videos to go. But today's hair is provided by DorHair. Now, they sent over this 5x5 HD lace closure, and the pattern was like a loose wave, but it kind of looks pretty much deep wave after washing it and bleaching the knots. And today I'm going to install it today on my youngest sister, Shari. And I know she has this baby face, y'all. Everybody thinks she's like younger than what she is, but she is about to be 18 and she's in the 12th grade, so she's not like a little 15 or 14-year-old getting a lace, so don't be alarmed. She just have a baby face. But however, today we're going to install this 5x5 HD lace closure, and I absolutely loved the finishing look with this installation. And for those who don't know, HD lace is very thin and it's very see-through. So once you actually blend the lace and attach it, the lace should completely disappear. And this is the best lace that's out right now. Like, it's very HD, like high definition quality lace, like for real. And with her install, it was so flawless. Like, I didn't even do like my second step melting process on her install today, because it was just so freaking melted that I had really no reason to have to go back in. And I also wanted to just show you guys a video that you can still melt your lace with using my products without having to use any TRESemmé holding spray at all. So I want to, just bring you this quick install. Now, I did use only 3 layers today for her installation. And of course, I cleaned her skin with alcohol and used scalp protectant to protect her skin. And after applying all of my layers, I did go ahead and place that glue down into that lace. And I'm just going to take my melt belt and just tie her lace down for about maybe less than 5 minutes, to be honest, because all I had to do was just sew down around the edges and the back of the wig and get it secured down. And then once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and remove the melt belt and cut the lace and then get into the styling. But do y'all see how melted that is? And we ain't even cut the lace yet. This is when you know you have true HD lace, when you put it up against your skin and with that foundation, it completely disappears, like it's not even there. And that's how you really know when you have true HD lace. A lot of companies do lie about having HD lace, but this right here was how you can tell. If you put your foundation and you put it up against your skin, and before you even really melt it or anything, it disappears and it's thin. And also have like that little rigid, I don't know how to describe it, but at the end of HD lace, it looks like it's been like kind of ripped apart. But that's how you know when you have true HD lace. But however, I'm gonna go ahead and tack down the little pieces that's left and then get into the styling. And as I mentioned, I did not tie it down again or use any TRESemmé holding spray. I just got straight to the styling and it was scalpy on okay. So for her style, I'm going to do the 2 little, curly bang pieces in the front with the top ponytail. And this is a 5x5 HD lace. If you guys need to know what size lace closure wig this is, it is a 5x5. So I did use that that, you know, that wide parting space and really create a look. And I also did not do any baby hairs. I just wanted it to be just scalp, and that's it. Just cute scalp, and that's it. No baby hairs. I don't want no extra, because with HD lace you do not need any baby hairs whatsoever. So I just wanted to give y'all a nice, cute, natural slay. And you know, to be honest, everybody is not a fan of baby hairs. Some people prefer their hairlines more natural. So this is another reason why I wanted to do that look. Now for the bang pieces that I am taking out, I decided to do triangle parts. Usually I just do it round or squared, but I'm going to do the triangle parts so I can have like that center V, you know, type of look thing going as far as the ponytail part. And as far as the tracks, you just want to part off a thin layer all around the ponytail to cover those tracks. And then I'm going to go in with my wax stick and a hot comb and just get all of that sleeked up before I put that part in a ponytail. So after I hot combed all around that ponytail, I just went in with a little Tresemme just to smooth all the flyaways and just to make sure that the tracks are laid, you know, the hair was laid and covered nicely over those tracks. And I'm just going to blow dry that a little bit on the heat setting. And at first, to be honest, y'all, I was going to crimp the whole thing, but I had left my crimper at home, so therefore I just went with the natural hair pattern, just added a little mousse to define the curls on this hair, which will be, you know, seen towards the end of this video. But I just went ahead and smoothed everything down with that Tresemme holding spray, as you can see. And now I'm going to go ahead and get the ponytail sleeked up. As I mentioned before, I will be using just my wax stick and a hot comb. No holding spray or anything like that, because the wax stick can get it nice and sleek. And, you know, the hair was still pretty damp, so it was easy to sleek up. So I'm just going to hot comb it and then get a nice thick size rubber band and just rubber band all of it together. And of course do the little spray wraparound method around my rubber band so it can be a seamless ponytail look.
Talking to the team. Talking to the team.
And now I'm just going to apply some wax to the bang pieces, and I'm going to hot comb that together as well to keep it nice and smooth. And once I get those roots pressed out, it will help make it, you know, look more natural. And Shari is very dramatic, y'all. I never burned her, okay? She just real scared of hot combs. And I don't even know why, because to be honest, I don't even think Mama Hustler ever even hot combed her damn hair. So I'm a little confused on that. But, you know, everybody get a little frightened about heat. But however, I just went ahead and hot combed those roots out. And I just pulled out the little strings, flyaways from the... you know, that was just not needed, you know. But however, now I'm going to take some holding spray, and I just pulled out a thin section from the ponytail, and I'm just going to comb it out. Take that Tresemme holding spray, spray it on the whole thing, comb that holding spray through those strands, and just wrap it around the rubber band, and that gives you that nice seamless look. So it's just very simple to do this. You can do this with your wigs, your regular ponytails, don't matter, but always do this step. Never leave the rubber band showing. That's just, you know, my opinion and my preference, but I think that's some good advice that I'm giving you guys. But yes, so I just go ahead and I wrap that up, and I just go in with more holding spray to secure it. Some people glue their wraparounds. Me, I just mold it with the holding spray because you might want to take the ponytail down, and you don't want to have to be worrying about combing glue out of it, you know, just to get, you know, switch up the style or whatever. But yeah, so as you can see, it's very scalpy, okay? This is no baby hairs, no nothing, no second step melting process. This is a one-time melting process using my adhesive and my products. And this is pretty much what it's going to look like. But now we have to define the curls. So now we're going to go in with some mousse. And I end up using, I think it was the olive oil mousse. I had ran out, so I ended up using Lala's mousse. So I think she had like the, the olive oil brand mousse, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly grab that. And then I'm going to... just, you know, mousse the hair up to define those curls, and not too much, just enough. I don't really like curly hair soaking wet. I just really wanted like a nice little fluffy look. So my goal was to just get that mousse on top of the curls and just use my comb and just comb it through, because when you apply the mousse on a comb and comb it through, it helps you detangle the curls and also define it at the same time. And that's just what I'm going to do until all of it is moist. And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and conceal the parts. Only thing I did not do, well, I also did not black spray. It just wasn't needed for me necessarily in this installation. Because one, the hair is very scalp. Two, the parts, like the parting area was a little thin, so I just needed to widen it up. I didn't want to widen it up to make it thinner again, so I just concealed it, and this completes the finishing look. Very natural, very scalp. Get into the slay. It's on period. It's on natural, and this got to be one of the most natural installs I have seen on YouTube. Period. Like, it's just hers. Period. This is just her real hair, and that, you know, that is what it is. But I'm just black spraying a little pieces of the top so it doesn't move. It stays put. But yeah, let me know what y'all think down below. In the comments. This is slay number 28, and we only have 2 more videos from our 30 slay series. So let me know, like at the end of the 30-day series, I'm going to do a, you know, like a post and see which is y'all favorite. But thank you guys for tuning in. I love y'all, and see y'all on video number 29.